Are you a man who finds it hard to pass urine, gets sudden strong urges to urinate, or you pass urine more often, especially at nights? Well, you may want to see a doctor, as you could be at risk of having a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. TVJ's Shamela Pullen tells us more in the Health Report.
The prostate gland is found only in men. It has the shape of an unopened achie and is located below the bladder in front of the rectum. It also surrounds the urethra, which is the tube through which urine is passed. In many men, the prostate gland may begin to grow or enlarge after the age of 40, making it difficult for men to pass urine. This condition is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH for short. Consultant urologist Dr. Belinda Morrison-Bligent says most times men come in with BPH when it is too late because it has no early symptoms.
In some situations, they may have what we call problems voiding or emptying their bladder. So they may go to urinate, or it may take a very long time. They have to delay for a while, and the urinary stream may be very weak, down to just have dribble. Sometimes they may have to strain, or sometimes nothing at all will come, and the abdomen gets distended because the bladder is full, and they may have what we call urinary retention. In Jamaica, we call that stoppage of water.
At least 100 cases of BPH are seen each month at public health facilities. Although BPH cannot be prevented, early detection and treatment is critical to lessen the discomfort.
It results in the need for catheterization, which is insertion of a tube into the bladder to drain the bladder. And in about 30% of these cases, surgery is needed. So it's important to know that this condition does exist. It's important to know the age group of men who are affected, men over the age of 40, and important to know the consequences.
Most persons are of the view that BPH is cancerous, but Dr. Morrison-Bligent says it is not. However, she advises men to reduce their alcohol intake. Persons with BPH also need to avoid certain medications.
Many cough and cold over-the-counter medications that contain the drug pseudoephedrine, they may worsen urinary symptoms while patients take these. Antihistamines can also do the same thing, and we know we take these for cough and cold. Some painkillers like the opioids may worsen urinary symptoms in patients who take it. Patients who are treated for psychotic conditions.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health. Health report.